Port King Enrique Razon Jr. is a force to be reckoned with. Despite being born into a business family, Razon is a titan in his own right. Under his leadership, his business empire has expanded beyond into a global operation and cemented itself as a key player in the gaming and leisure sectors. The second richest man in the Philippines, Razon is the chairman and CEO of International Container Terminal Services ICTSI, the largest port operator in the Philippines and one of the largest in the world. Razon is one of the more low-key billionaires in the Philippines. In 1960, Enrique Anselmo Clar Razon Jr. was born to the illustrious Razon family. The family's ancestral roots lay in Basque, similar to the Zobilyalas and Aboitizes. The Razon family made their name in the marine cargo handling business when Ricky Razon's grandfather started the venture in 1916. Ricky's father, Enrique Pajolo Sr., expanded the business after World War II. The youngest of 5 children, Razon dropped out of college at only 17 years old to join the family business against his father's wishes. However, Razon persisted as he knew that he'd learn more on the ground than in school. In his youth, Razon steadily climbed up the ranks until he made it to the boardroom. When the Philippines nationalized and privatized ports in 1988, it presented a turning point for Razon, along with the Soriano Group and Sealand. The Razon Group's ICTSI won the big contract to run the Manila International Container Terminal MICT and the unique opportunity to expand. In just 4 years' time, ICTSI launched its IPO in 1992, and in the same year, it was ranked as one of the best-managed companies in the Philippines by Asia Money and Finance. Just a few years after that, in 1994, ICTSI launched its international and domestic expansion program. Ricky Razon was named chairman in 1995 after the death of his father, Enrique Pajolo Razon. As chairman, Razon doubled down on his expansion plan but soon had to face the Asian financial crisis of 1997. ICTSI's debts were doubled, forcing Razon to sell the group's assets to Hong Kong billionaire Li Ka-shing's investment holding company Hutchison Whampoa. ICTSI eventually bounced back and continued its expansion across India, Mexico, and more. By 2006, he'd already bought out the Soriano's 23% stake in ICTSI. Razon reportedly now owns 52% of the company. In 2013, Razon opened Solaire, the country's first casino resort that soon became a game-changer for the Philippines' luxury and hospitality industries. Razon, who owns Solaire through Bloomberry Resorts Corp., tapped former executives of Las Vegas Sands to steer Solaire's growth as a regional gaming and leisure hub. Razon is also a majority stakeholder in Manila Water Co., after securing a controlling interest from the Ayalas in 2020 and Apex Mining, a publicly traded gold producer in the Philippines. As a chairman, Razon leads the boards of ICTSI, Bloomberry, Manila Water, and Prime Infrastructure. In 2023, Razon's business empire covers everything from ports and terminals, gaming and hospitality, to infrastructure, utilities, and mining. The head of one of the largest business empires in the Philippines, Razon is a key global player in the ports and terminals sphere. Enrique Razon Jr.'s businesses have employed millions of Filipinos, namely ICTSI, Bloomberry, Manila Water, and Prime Infrastructure, all of which are significant contributors to the Philippine economy. ICTSI has helped facilitate trade and commerce, ensuring the growth of Philippine businesses, while Bloomberry has cemented the Philippines as a gaming and leisure destination for luxury travelers. Manila Water and Prime Infrastructure are notable service-oriented companies that have committed to providing vital services to communities. Behind the scenes, Razon is also widely known to provide sage business advice to presidents, CEOs, and fellow tycoons. Even powerhouses like Jaime Augusto Zobel-Dariola and Teresita Sycosan have been known to seek out Razon for advice. According to Bloomberg, Enrique Razon Jr. owns at least $590 million P3 to billion in real estate assets spanning New York, San Francisco, and the Philippines. Off the clock, Razon is known for his philanthropic work. Razon has donated millions to charitable causes through his various foundations, but his most notable philanthropic effort to date was the acquisition and distribution of millions of COVID-19 vaccines. Razon spearheaded the construction of a mega vaccination site, as well as vaccination drives open to all Filipinos. Enrique Razon Jr., born March 3, 1960, is a Filipino billionaire and the chairman and CEO of the Manila-listed company International Container Terminal Services, Inc., ICTSI, a Philippine port handling company. He is also the chairman of Bloomberry Resorts Corp., which is the developer of Solar Resort and Casino, an integrated resort complex in Metro Manila's Entertainment City. Razon came from a third-generation Spanish-Filipino family involved in the marine cargo handling business. He studied at De La Salle University in Manila, then began his business career. Razon is married to Felicia Lizzie Santos, a Child Protection Network board member. She is an alumnus of St. Louis University Madrid campus and the University of the Philippines. Razon's two children are Enzo Razon, an artist and Tarzir Pictures co-founder, and Katrina Razon, a disc jockey, music mixer, composer, and KSR Ventures owner. Enrique Razon owns More Power More Electric and Power Corporation or Monte Oro Resources in Iloilo that replaced Panay Electric Company PECO as Iloilo City's sole power distributor in 2019 through a legislative franchise. Razon tables the ICTSI Foundation, Inc., which oversees and implements the ICTSI Group's corporate social responsibility advocacies. He has been a long-time patron of Philippine golf in the country through the Philippine Golf Tour, backed by sports management company, Pilipinas Golf Tournaments Inc., PGTI, where he is chairman. Razon likewise extends help to the country's amateur golf development through the ICTSI The Country Club program, supported by the ICTSI Foundation. In 2003, Razon donated P50 million for DLSU sports development. The P50 million pesos were broken down into P to 5 million for equipment and facilities of the Enrique Razon Sports Complex, named after his father, P20 million for athletic scholarships, and P5 million for a sports solidarity fund. At the height of the pandemic, Razon focused on building a mega vaccination site and acquiring millions of doses of Moderna vaccines. The private sector effort impacted the government and the public when COVID-19 cases surged and vaccination resources were scarce. In 2022, Razon announced that the company had created a proposal to build the world's most extensive solar and battery facility to reduce the country's use of coal. The billionaire's efforts to provide clean power through a partnership with Solar Philippines have created a brighter energy future and Manila Water, the private concessionaire of metropolitan waterworks and sewerage system that serves more than 7 million residents of the East Zone of Metro Manila and Rizal Province. In July 2023, Razon secured a 25-year joint venture with Transnet Port Terminals to operate and develop the Durban Container Terminal Pier 2, a new port in South Africa. Transnet's biggest container terminal will have 1,760 meters of operational quay length and 120 hectares of container storage and backup area. As of August 2024, his net worth surged by $3 billion to an estimated $11.1 billion, making him the wealthiest man in the Philippines. Under his leadership, ICTSI expanded to 19 countries, with $800 million investment in a new container facility in Bauen, Batangas, set to be completed by 2027. Additionally, Bloomberry opened the $1 billion Solaire Resort North in Quezon City in May 2024, creating around 4,000 jobs. Razon also acquired a significant stake in Manila Water Company for approximately $251 million, resulting in a 37% increase in net income. Welcome to the exciting world of Thousand Vlogs.